I'm showing you how to cook squash. I have 6 squash about this size. I cut the tops and bottoms off of them. And what I mean by tops and bottoms, I mean that's just the ends. They've already been washed. And all I'm doing is slicing them up now. Instead of doing them on a cutting board, it don't take long to just do them like this. Got my trash bowl over here. And dump that off. And then it's going to cut them up like that. And then I'll show you what's next. 1 large onion, which I have here. I like a lot of onions throughout my um, squash. And this squash will cook down. And as it cook down, the onions will go down in it a little better. Use salt and pepper to taste for your seasoning. And if you use any other season, maybe some garlic, but salt and pepper to taste to this. Wash my hands. This is what I mean by salt and pepper to taste. Add just a small amount of water in the bottom of this because it will make its own water. It will make a lot of water. Pushing the onions down, letting them drop down in there. Just sliding them. Not really stirring them right now. Just letting the onions go through it. I could have put them in a skillet and fried them a little bit and steamed them, but I'm doing it this way. Also, I'm steaming these and not frying them. I still want to put some butter in it to give it flavor. So I'm going to let this butter get down in that water that's in there while steaming to give it some flavor. This is how much liquid it has made. And this is going to be really good. I really love squash cooked to perfections. I actually like it boiled instead of fried. Fried is okay, but this is the way I like it right here. And I hope you guys get a chance to try it and enjoy it. This is Val, but this is how you do it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, that everything button. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye now. Oh, you want a good look at it? There you go. Have some.